Yellowstone National Park is back in the spotlight after a 3.3 magnitude earthquake struck near the caldera of the famed supervolcano on Monday morning. Although the quake was relatively small, it has raised questions about the geological activity beneath one of the world's largest and most complex volcanic systems. Scientists confirmed that there are no signs of an imminent major eruption. However, every earthquake in Yellowstone is closely monitored because the area sits directly above a massive, still active magma system. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, the 3-magnitude earthquake struck on Monday at approximately 1:20 p.m. UTC, 8:20 a.m. local time. The epicenter was along the Yellowstone River. The earthquake occurred at a depth of approximately 6.5 kilometers, about 4 miles below the Earth's surface, approximately 39 kilometers from the Mammoth Hot Springs area. Its proximity to the Yellowstone supervolcano system immediately drew the attention of volcanologists. A few days earlier, Wyoming was also struck by a 3.2 magnitude earthquake near Little America in Sweetwater County. These two earthquakes indicate that tectonic activity in and around Yellowstone is still ongoing, as is common in the region. Yellowstone is one of the most seismically active areas in the United States, according to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory. The Yellowstone region experiences approximately 1,500 to 2,500 earthquakes annually. Most of these earthquakes are so small that humans do not feel them. Many of them occur in earthquake swarms, which are hundreds of small earthquakes that occur in close succession due to the movement of faults and hot fluids beneath the surface. This phenomenon is considered a normal part of Yellowstone's geological activity and is not a definite sign of an imminent volcanic eruption. However, every change in earthquake patterns remains thoroughly analyzed because it can provide clues about pressure changes beneath the caldera. Yellowstone is now doing what scientists have long warned about. Earthquakes are one of the key parameters scientists continuously monitor at Yellowstone. When rocks beneath the surface begin to fracture under pressure, or when magma or hydrothermal fluids move, energy is released in the form of earthquakes. This is why any increase in seismic activity always attracts researchers' attention. In addition to earthquakes, scientists monitor other indicators, such as changes in landforms, the movement of magma deep beneath the surface, the activity of geysers and hot springs, emissions of volcanic gases such as carbon dioxide, CO2, and sulfur dioxide, CO2, changes in the temperature of hydrothermal systems. To date, all these indicators still indicate that the Yellowstone volcanic system is in normal condition. Beneath Yellowstone lies a vast magma system, but most of its volume has solidified into solid rock. Only a small portion remains as liquid magma. Geophysical studies indicate the presence of several magma reservoirs at different depths that provide heat to the entire Yellowstone hydrothermal system. This heat powers more than 10,000 hydrothermal features, including famous geysers like Old Faithful. Because this system remains active, scientists continue to monitor it using a network of seismometers, high-precision GPS, satellite imagery, and volcanic gas analysis. The largest earthquake to ever hit Yellowstone, While most earthquakes in Yellowstone are small, the region has experienced much stronger ones. One of the most significant occurred on the 30th of June 1975, when a magnitude 6 earthquake struck the northern part of the Yellowstone Caldera, a few kilometers southeast of the Norris Geyser Basin. The earthquake caused localized damage, ground fissures, and changes in several hydrothermal features. According to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, if a major eruption is truly imminent, scientists expect to see clear signs well in advance. These signs could include a drastic increase in earthquakes, significant land surface deformation, significant changes in volcanic gas emissions, and extreme changes in hydrothermal activity. Currently, all monitoring systems continue to indicate conditions within Yellowstone's normal activity range. As the world's first national park, Yellowstone is visited by millions of tourists each year who come to enjoy its natural beauty, wildlife, and extraordinary geothermal phenomena. The recent 3 magnitude earthquake serves as a reminder that Yellowstone remains a living, constantly changing geological system. Although there are no signs of a major eruption yet, scientists are closely monitoring subsurface activity to detect changes as early as possible.